Welcome to the Financial Intelligence Forum. My name is Wayne Delamore. For the next few minutes, you'll be exposed to a viable gateway to financial freedom. You must first understand that financial freedom is not free, but overcoming poverty and financial lack is. The Modelers Group can teach you the secrets used by the banks, the hedge funds, and the multi-corporations on how to multiply your money. You can now learn and earn in Forex through an education that pays for life. First, you must understand how money is distributed, generated, and earned on a global scale. Let us take a page from Mr. Robert Kiyosaki, world-renowned businessman, author, and financial advocate, as he teaches the wealth creation techniques in achieving true financial freedom. Starting with his cash flow quadrant, the 4 ways we make money: the employee, the self-employed, the employer, and the investor. The employer can only trade time for money. He gets paid only when he can work, and when he reaches age 60, he is no longer allowed to trade hours for dollars. The self-employed can earn more money than the employee can. However, he don't have the time. He is always busy with no time to enjoy the hard fruits of his labor. No time freedom. The employer owns a well-oiled system working for him, building assets, leveraging from his staff. The investor has money working for him with unlimited income potential. He needs little or no employees. 95% of the world earns and owns just 5% of the world's wealth. This is via the left side of the cash flow quadrant. While just 5% of the people in the world owns and control over 95% of its wealth. We can teach you how to move to the right side of money in becoming an investor. The way most of us are taught and cultured to make money is no longer a secure or viable option for even financial comfort. It is called a job. Typical academics is good, but it cannot get you through to financial freedom. Understanding how to multiply money and how it can multiply assets are the skills required to access financial freedom. The good book states in Luke 16:8, "The children of the world are in their generation wiser than the children of the light." It also instructs us in Proverbs 22:7, "It is time to stop being a slave to the lender." It is so very clear, my people. Prayer will bring us revelation, but understanding will bring us wealth. Let us show you how you can build and secure a substantial US income for life. Forex is the largest financial market in the world. The entire wealth of the planet passes through the Forex market every 6 weeks at a rate of $5.3 trillion per day. Forex is used by the global banking system to amass large profits. Experts says the massive market is closer to $9 trillion per daily transaction. It's the world's most viable wealth creation instrument. It's accessible 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. You can earn money on a daily basis with unlimited earning potential for life. Learn to become an investor and experience the best of both time and money. Imagine sitting in the comfort of your home using a professional skill that can pay you more money than any traditional business, job, or lifetime career. Nothing can compare. Our educational package includes a complete Forex mastery course with recorded videos and live interactive TV, advanced trading software and technology, work from anywhere in the world, learn and earn every day with ongoing corporate training and support for only $217 US. Here's what you need to get started: a smart device with data or Wi-Fi. You can operate from any demographic, and all is required is a degree of ambition. We cannot help you without it. Our local support structure that will help you master the skills are online support, full social media communication groups, mentorship calls, and online webinars. Our offline support includes live trade houses and guidance from successful traders. We now have so much evidence of the success rate of this amazing program with dozens of successful traders already established right here in TNT. Our program offers a simple step-by-step process. Your first 72 hours will be orientation, your first month through the basics, month 2 to 3 demo exposure to live trading. Let us turn ordinary living into an extraordinary experience by plugging into the most powerful financial system in the world. We are creating history here in Trinidad and Tobago. Join the elite in creating substantial wealth within the market that transacts US $9 trillion on a daily basis. It is the most viable instrument for the average person to secure a true financial future. Using any smart device, anywhere, you can literally turn your device into an ATM. To attend our free empowerment seminar, call 494-5899 or 316-2521.